So for flexing, I'm gonna let him know that I'm coming. So what I'm gonna do to let him know is just slide my hand down and then pick it up. I want him to look like he just did. If he walks, I'm just gonna go with him. Okay, he does know these things. He's just rusty because we haven't practiced. So if you teach him it and then you never practice with it, they don't stay fresh with it. Okay, so I'm gonna just slide my hand down to let him know I'm coming, and then come back. I'm gonna stand back by his shoulder, and then I'm gonna wait for him to look my direction. There's a little bit, I can do a partial release there, and then I can ask again. I'm gonna wait for it. I don't want to be pulling on it because I want him to learn to look for this stuff with looseness. I don't want to have to wrench on him. I want him to look for what I might want. I want us to work together as a team. And the lighter I can be on him, with him responding, the better we're going to be as a team, and he'll be ready for anybody to ride him. And right now, Seamus he fights it a little bit more because I thought it would be a good idea to put a stronger bit in for him so that my little kid son could learn to keep him from eating grass on the trail. And it did work for that, but now he's not as soft as he used to be, so I need to give him a refresher course. So I'm just gonna wait for him, standing back by his shoulder, and I have to wait. I'm not gonna keep pulling harder or anything. There we go, good boy, Seamus. Boy, remember they learned from the release of pressure. So when I release that pressure, I could stand here and wait for 20 or 30 seconds, but right now it's below 0, so he's not gonna get as long of breaks. I'm gonna ask again, just lightly, picking up on that lead, letting him know what I want, and waiting for him to respond. Waiting for it. I'm not gonna increase the pressure, I'm gonna stand and wait. There, he looked a little bit. I can do a partial release and ask again. Good boy. Partial release and ask again. Now he's going to move his feet. I'm just going to go with him if he moves his feet. There, he did it again. I'm going to do a partial release and ask again. Boy, that's a good boy. I'll ask again. Now he's moving his body, so I'm not going to release with that. Oh, he moved his body some more. There, good boy. I don't want him to come past right here. So not more than a 90-degree turn. There, good job, Seamus. Good boy. Just wait for it. I'm not increasing pressure or anything. I'm giving him time to figure out what I want. He moves, I move with him. There, good boy. That's all for flexing, guys. Have fun with your donkeys.